All right, we're back. Just a couple of days after that video, and the team just got done rebuilding my walls. And so basically, you can probably see the discoloration, and that's the new plaster that's been applied to the ceiling. I have to wait a couple of days, and then I have to repaint. And they do have, the company I use do have people that they know of that can do it, but if I can't paint, then I should just probably not be a homeowner. That's just my opinion. But anyway, so you can see the walls are back and my kitchen is restored. They went and plastic the entire kitchen again to make sure that there was no reciprocal problems with the floor. They put cloth flooring all over the place. Did a really good job of restoring the house back to its original condition. We'll go ahead and just keep going through the rest of the house. And remember, most of this wall was completely ripped up earlier this week. And you can see that they've gone by and textured the wall. You see that texture there. Again, it's discolored because there's no paint on it yet. And it's also wet. They literally just finished a few minutes ago. And you can see the wall is back. We'll go into this room. This room had a lot of section missing out of it. And that section, those sections are completely restored. He is going to come by tomorrow and put the door back on that, but he doesn't want to do that yet because he doesn't want the repair work to be damaged. So he's actually going to stop by and take care of that tomorrow. And as you can see, this whole section here had huge holes in it, and it's all gone and replaced. And then you have off the water line for the washing machine completely restored. And these little new valves that are put in. Now they will put the washer and dryer back in the area for you, but I am getting all new appliances, so I told them to just leave them in the garage. And it was very nice of them. I'm sure the Lowe's guys are going to appreciate not having to pull them out of the house on Saturday. And of course, remember, all this was completely torn up earlier, and it's all back to normal. Just needs a little paint and we'll be ready to go. Oh yeah, I should probably close the garage door, huh? All right. The lights will come on in a second. Anyways, I don't think there was actually any damage here to show, but well, only thing is like where the shutoff valve used to be, and as you can see, they went through and they patched all that up. All right, let's go upstairs. And if you remember, there was a big hole here, and this is where it back to the tub. Again, back to normal. And you can see no damage to the carpet. I'll probably do that when I go to repaint and damage the carpet, but I'll do my best not to do that. And then here in the closet for the sink. And of course here for the shower, right? Remember that big hole there? Hole there on the side, gone. There wasn't anything done there, but if you remember from the last video, there was a huge section ripped out of here, and it was pretty much all of it, and it's back to normal. It took them about 3 to 4 hours to do the initial work, and then probably 2 hours to do the patching. And basically you have two choices when it comes to it. They can do all of it in a day, but then it can't be inspected by the city. Or you can have them do the work, then have the inspection done by the city, and then they come back the next day and they do the patching. I would recommend the latter if you have the time, because it's always great to get a second opinion about the work. And I can tell you that the city inspector was very impressed with the work that was done. So he said everything is compliant and looks good. As you can see, visually it looks good, and I can tell you that the water works fine. So there we are. It's kind of a scary experience to vivisect your house. I'll be honest, I was a little worried about it the night before. But as you can see, a little bit of elbow grease on the paint. And, no one will ever know. Thanks for watching. See ya.